Hello and welcome back. We're continuing along in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps to let us keep making these daily videos for you. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 306. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9, 8. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9. I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing a 1 and 8. I don't see any help, so 1, 8, 1, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 9, no help here, 1, 5, 9, 9 here, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 1, 7 here, 4, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got the 2 here, so 3, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 6, 8 here, so 1, 8. That 1 makes this our 5. We can get rid of this 5. For this box now, we're only missing a 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 2 covering here and a 2 covering here, so our 2 must be here. I don't see any other help, so 1, 3, 1, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 8, 9, 8, 9. But that 1 makes this our 3, 1. And that 1 makes this our 9, 1, 8, 1. And that 9 makes this our 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. And for this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.